Oh, hey, Tom. We haven't talked about our previous jobs. Where have you worked before?
Hi, Anna. I've worked as a waiter in a restaurant.
Oh, that's nice. What have you done there?
I've served lots of customers, cleaned the tables, and carried many trays.
Wow, that sounds busy. I've worked in an office. I've answered lots of emails and made some reports.
Oh, really? Have you ever served food in your office?
No, I haven't. But I've typed so many letters.
I haven't typed letters like that, but I've carried so many trays at work.
Have you ever spoken to customers on the phone?
Yeah, I've called some to check their orders.
I haven't done that. I've only sent emails.
Your job sounds easier than mine.
Maybe, but it can be stressful too.
Have you ever organized meetings?
Yes, I've organized lots of meetings for my boss. Have you organized any events?
Not big ones, but I've helped with small parties in the restaurant.
That's something. Have you ever used a computer for reports?
I have, but mostly for taking orders and checking the menu.
Oh, I've done more work on Word and Excel.
Did you ever start work really early?
Yes, sometimes at 7 a.m. And you?
Sometimes 6 a.m. for breakfast service.
That's very early. Have you helped new colleagues?
Yeah, I've trained some new waiters. And you?
I've helped new employees with office rules and computer programs.
Looks like we've both learned a lot from our jobs.
Definitely. And we've done a lot more than we thought we could.